Hello, so welcome. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can create your first program using Visual Studio, either using Visual Studio 2015 or 2022. Okay, first of all, you go to the upper left corner where it says file, clicking on file, then you have to highlight where it says project. Okay, let me just do that again. New, then select project. So now we're going to choose where it says Visual C++ and we select an empty project. So let's name our program Hello World. Okay, our project Hello World. Then we click OK. After that, so it's going to create our project. Then after creating it, it will just come up with a blank page, which we are going to utilize this the right side of the screen. So you have to select where it says highlight on source files, then right click on it and add, click on add and say new item. Then on new item we have to select where it says C++ file and we're going to click on add. So now that our program, our interface is on, now we'll be able to write our code starting with IOStream using namespace std, then okay, int main, okay, then here we're going to be using system pause just like that, and put our semicolon here. Then I'm going to print in to print something on the screen. Hello world, just like that. And then you put a semicolon. So after writing everything right, we have to okay, what we do is to add an end line so that you just keep a line here. So then you press where it says local Windows debugger. Then yes, this project is out of date. Yes, do you want to build it? Yes. So after this part is going to produce a console output. This kind of like the CMD box like this. So as you see, our program has successfully been compiled and debugged, and this is how you run your first program using Visual Studio, Microsoft Visual Studio. Okay, then you press any key to continue. So guys, okay, see you in the next video. In case if you like any other tutorials, just hit the like button and press the subscribe button, which you'll be notified when I upload any new content on this channel. Thank you.